Hello and welcome to the Fundamentals course. By the end of this series of videos, you will have created a small CRM application like the one we see here, which includes a grid to display data, an input form to update the data, a card container to display employees, a map and some reports. The goal of the Fundamentals courses is to give you a general overview of PhixFlow, providing you with the knowledge and skills necessary to get you started on your journey to creating fantastic applications. Although we're creating a small application here, PhixFlow is capable of a whole lot more, such as connecting to multiple systems to perform a data migration. This could include things like fuzzy logic for deduplication and a reconciliation report. Or we may make something like a call center application which guides users through a complex process. For more in-depth training, take a look at the courses available in our Learning Centre. This can be accessed at any time by clicking the Help button in the top right hand corner. There are 6 videos which make up the Fundamentals course. Each is designed to guide you through a specific aspect of PhixFlow, starting with the creating an application. Each chapter is accompanied by a concepts page which provides a reference to each of the concepts in the videos. So what is PhixFlow? Well, we describe it as a low-code application development platform. What does that mean? Well, it means we can configure applications that solve our business requirements, look great and make our lives easier without needing to be a developer. Before we get started, let's take a look at navigating the PhixFlow product. PhixFlow has 2 modes. There's application mode, which is how the end users experience our application, and design mode, which is where we design and create our applications. This allows us to select items and edit them. On the right hand side in design mode is the repository. This is where the properties windows are open for the items that we've selected. These can be pinned so that they remain in place when we open new windows. We can move any open tabs by simply dragging the tab header to the desired location. If we want to see a little bit more room on the screen, we can actually collapse the repository using this chevron button. In a similar way, if we want to see any of the context help at any time, we can use this help button and that will show or hide the context help. If you need some help or have a question, use the live chat feature in the top right hand corner to talk with one of our support team who'll be happy to help you. Now we know what PhixFlow is and how to navigate our way around. Let's begin by creating our first application. Select Add New, and in the window that pops up, give your application a useful name, a description. If you wish, you can also add an application icon, and finally we select the template Serene Grey. We need this template as it contains the layout components and palette items that we need to build our screens. We'll cover more on this in the Screens Fundamental course. Click Create Application and we've created our first application. Okay, it doesn't do much yet, but it will. In the following videos in this series, we will look at adding functionality. This is the home page for our application. It's where we access the different parts that make up our application. We will look at these in more detail as we move through the Fundamentals course. Selecting the 9 dots here allows us to return to the application selection window. Here you'll find your application along with some useful reference applications. We're now ready to move on to defining the data for our application. Click on ERD and when you're ready, watch the next video. That's all for this chapter. I'll see you in the next one.